Do you know, writing every single day can literally help us to improve our spoken English? Now, you might ask this question that how writing can help us to improve our spoken English. When you write down, when you pen down every single day, the thoughts, the expressions or the things or activities you encounter every single day, you just give a pressure to your brain to think. And while thinking, you generate good words, good thoughts, you remember good words. And then even if you don't remember also, you just look into a dictionary. And when you get into a habit of looking into a dictionary, you learn how to remember, how to learn a good word, right? So do this because this practice is very important. Learning new words every single day, remembering those good words, and then while speaking, you will never ever forget all those good words which you are learning every single day. So write down, because writing can literally help you to generate ideas, thoughts. So today again, I just want to share with you 2 more idioms that can literally help us to improve or give a weightage in our fluency. Today is the 8th day of learning English and we are specifically learning idioms. So the first thing which I would like to share, the first idiom, that is take it with a pinch of salt. Right? So now what is the meaning of this particular idiom? The meaning of this particular idiom is take it lightly. Some people will always pull you down. Some people will demotivate you. So don't take it so seriously. Just take it with a pinch of salt. That means take it lightly. Number 2, that is under the weather. We always have the habit of saying that I'm not well, I'm sick, because if you are not feeling good, if you are feeling unwell, if you are sick, if you have fever, right? So in that case, don't say always all these things that I'm sick, I'm unwell. So give a weightage in your speaking even while writing. You just can text also. You can just message, you can just say these particular thing, that is, I'm under the weather. Okay? I'm under the weather, which means that you are not well. Okay? You are not well, you are sick. For example, yesterday I was under the weather. That is why I was not able to attend a meeting. Hope this is clear to you. So tomorrow again I will come up with 2 more idioms. Kindly check out the description box, and yes, if you feel that this video is worth sharing, kindly share this video and subscribe to my channel for more updates. And yes, keep practicing every single day, because the more you practice, the more fluent you become learning this particular language. This is Beena Roy signing off.